My favorite immune system cell is a CD4 positive T cell.
I love T cells. They have soul, they have heart, they have personalities.
I'm partial to macrophages, exquisitely sensitive to their environment.
They are absolutely the heroes. They're my favorite immune component.
The immune system is a collection of dozens of different cell types that defend our body against infections. But if it's too active or too inactive, it can actually make us unhealthy.
So in our research, we're trying to understand the pathways that are involved in moving the immune response up or down so that we can fine-tune it in both directions. Unraveling these pathways can lead to healing in a multitude of disorders, from cancer to inflammatory conditions.
We didn't used to know that the immune system was so involved in the fight against tumor. We're now really utilizing it. What the tumor actually does to immune cells, it compromises the quality of their immune response. Our job as researchers is to try to understand how tumor environment does that, how these cells are becoming weak, and try to help them by inventing therapies to bring them back on the track.
In cancer, the immune system is turned off or dampened. But when we think about inflammatory disorders, these same cells are hyperactive. From the exact same cell type, you can get a completely different disorder.
Using cutting-edge technology, we're interested in a systems-level view of the immune system. But we're actually zooming into individual cells to understand the pathways that they express at the gene level. I'm really fascinated with how, say, a T cell might signal to another cell to start attacking your healthy tissue.
Since we know cells communicate with each other, it's really important to decode what are the messengers that are going between these cells. If we think about a T cell, if it sends a message, can we intercept that and actually stop it from orchestrating an immune response?
We might be able to disrupt the process and help people be healthier. Understanding autoimmune diseases at the single cell level, we don't actually know how powerful that will be yet.
Something that may have looked like a science fiction a decade ago is not anymore.
It's a frontier. We don't know what we're going to discover next.
And it takes a lot of people working together.
But we're really excited to see what happens.